Today we will learn the experiment determination of flow properties of free and force vortices. Our objective is to determine the surface profile of free and force vortex. Basically at first we will learn the experiment through our apparatus. First we have to know the parts, different parts of our apparatuses. This is the inlet hose. This is the inlet hose and it is connected to a selector ball valve. We select one radial flow and one tangential flow. This is tangential inlet, this is radial inlet. Two radial inlets are there, two tangential inlets are there, and it is connected to the outlet. That is slanted seat valve, and it is mounted on the hydraulic bench. Water is coming through a pump from the base tank, and this is the container in which we will observe the free and force vortex. These are the measuring apparatuses. This is the diameter gauge, this is the height gauge. So we can learn from here how much deep is it and the radius or diameter. So we can balance the base through these pedestal screws, and if we run the pump, water will come through this pipe and it will go through this pipe or this pipe. When we apply the water through this radial inlet, it will occur the free vortex, and when we allow the water to inlet this tangential inlet, then it will occur the force vortex. And there is an inside ring upward perforated which guide the flow. Now this is our free vortex. So we can regulate water intake. Here is the vortex, free vortex. You can measure one reading, depth is 152 and the diameter is 9. Next, $165 and the diameter is 19. We have to be fast. Again we will measure the depth and diameter. Now we release it. It is 130. It is 132 and 9. It is 141 and 14. Stop. Here we can observe the free vortex, how it occurs. Now we measure again. One hundred nine and 13. And 19. 95 and 19. Okay, this way we have to be prompt because the free vortex doesn't rest longer. So we have to be prompt and we have to take the readings immediately. Now we will go to post vortex observation. Now this is our force vortex experiment. We allowed the flow through this tangential inlet and control through the slanted valve here, and we have the height measuring gauges. We can get the apex from here, and this is the force vortex occurred here. We have put a shaft at the center of the tank, and we have put a fan-like rotator marked one blade to measure the rotation. Now if we adjust, we'll measure, get the this way we will take 2 or 3 sets of readings. We will have a stopwatch and measure the rotations. It has took 18.9 seconds for 30 rotations. We'll note down all those readings. Now we'll stop and get the profile. Initially, first we have to note down this reading: 136, 137. Remove it. This one is 137. Now we will remove it. And we will put the marker here. Now we will measure the distances. This is almost 8.2. This is 2.7. This is 0.7. This one is 1.8. This one is 5.5. We'll note down the readings and we'll repeat the same for 3 or 4 times. Okay, thank you.